Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Could Spain. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Isuzu D-Max SX Ute, stock reference number 4685. This shape runs from the 10th month 2008 through to the 5th month 2012. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet scoop type appears to have no damage, left front 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has multiple dents, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a bald tyre, have the left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with the average tyre, right rear door 3 small dents, right front door 3 small dents, right guard 1 small dent and a small little rust spot, right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, all seats need cleaning, centre console, grey lid, vinyl, 5-speed manual, shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.